Continuing with my previous lecture on magnetic effects of electric current, today we will take magnetic field due to a straight conductor carrying current. Magnetic field due to a straight conductor carrying current. So let us consider a straight conductor carrying a current I. Suppose this is a straight conductor XY and this conductor is carrying a current I. Let P be the observation point. Let P be the point which is at a distance. This point is at a distance A from the conductor. Distance means perpendicular distance. It is at a distance A from the conductor or from the wire. Now consider a small element of length dl. You will consider a small element. This is a small element or length dl at a distance r. The distance of this element dl from point P, this distance is r, and let this is dl. Let the angle between r and dl be phi, and this angle is here. This angle is theta. Okay. And this distance, this is small element dl. This distance is L, and this point is O. Conductor is XY. So what is the small magnetic field due to this current carrying element dl at this point P according to Biot-Savart's law? According to Biot-Savart's law, the magnetic field at this point is dB is equal to mu0 upon 4 pi IDL sin phi upon r square. This is our equation number. This is our equation number 1. Now I am taking this point as point C. In right angle triangle POC, what is sin phi? Sin phi is equal to sine. Now this phi angle is 90 minus theta, because this angle is 90 degree. So theta plus phi is 90 degree. So what is phi? 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Also from this triangle sin phi is also equal to sin phi is, this is 90 degree. तो sin phi क्या होता है? Perpendicular. This is perpendicular. ठीक है. Sin phi is this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. That is A upon R. और sin phi किसके बराबर है? cos theta is equal to A upon R. So that is R is equal to A upon R is equal to A upon cos theta. Now again from this we have to find the value of dl also in terms of theta. So what is tangent theta in this triangle? In this triangle what is tangent theta? अगर थीटा लोगे तो ये बेस हो जाएगा और ये परपेंडिकुलर. टेंजेंट थीटा इज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस, दैट इज एल अपॉन ए. ठीक है, एंगल इज ऑलवेज विथ बेस. थीटा अगर लोगे तो दिस इज बेस एंड दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर, इट इज एल अपॉन ए और एल इज इक्वल टू ए टेंजेंट थीटा. तो इसको डिफरेंशिएट कर दो, डिफरेंशिएटिंग. डिफरेंशिएटिंग एल का डेरिवेटिव आ जाएगा डी एल ए एंड डेरिवेटिव ऑफ टेंजेंट थीटा इज सीकेंट स्क्वायर थीटा, थीटा का डी थीटा. दिस इज डी एल. नाउ पुट वैल्यू ऑफ आर, पुट वैल्यू ऑफ आर एंड डी एल, पुट वैल्यू ऑफ आर एंड डी एल. Put values of R and DL in first. Input value of R and DL in first. This becomes dB is equal to mu 0.4 pi I a secant square theta d theta, I a secant square theta d theta upon r square. R square is a upon cos theta whole square into what is sin phi. Sin phi is cos theta. So this one simplification. Now we will simplify this. So this one simplification gives mu 0 upon 4 pi I cos theta d theta upon I cos theta d theta upon A. Now what is the total magnetic field? This is magnetic field due to the small current element. What is the total magnetic field due to the whole conductor? Okay. The total magnetic field due to the whole conductor will be B integration dB. तो इस dB की इंटीग्रेशन आएगी इसको ज्वाइन करो इस तरफ. तो फ्रॉम हियर दिस एंगल इज माइनस थीटा 1 टू प्लस थीटा 2. दीज आर द लिमिट्स. इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम माइनस थीटा 1 टू थीटा 2 इज इक्वल टू इंटीग्रेशन माइनस थीटा 1 to theta 2 mu 0.4 pi I cos theta d theta upon A, which is equal to mu 0.4 pi I upon A integration cos theta d theta minus theta 1 to theta 2, which is equal to mu 0.4 pi I upon A. Integration of cos theta is minus sin theta from minus theta 1 to theta 2. This is equal to mu 0.4 pi I upon A. Here this minus limits, put the limits. Integration of cos theta is plus cos theta, sorry, plus sin theta. To put these limits, रहेगा sin theta 2 minus sin minus theta 1 This is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I upon a sin theta 2. So minus sin theta 1 is sin minus theta 1 is minus sin theta 1. This becomes plus sin theta 1. Or I can write it mu 0 upon 4 pi I upon a sin theta 1 plus sin theta 2. So this is formula for magnetic field due to a long straight conductor. Magnetic field due to a long straight conductor at a point P, distance r from the conductor due to a conductor xy. This is the formula. Now इसके कुछ स्पेशल केसेस फर्स्ट है व्हेन कंडक्टर इज ऑफ इनफाइनाइट लेंथ. XY is of infinite length. When the length of the conductor is infinite, then theta 1 and theta 2 can be taken 90 degree. So what is B? Mu 0. B is mu 0 upon 4 pi I upon A. When the conductor is of infinite length, theta 1 and theta 2 यहाँ पे मिस हो गया, and point P lies near the center of conductor. Point P lies the center of conductor. Then B is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I upon A into sin 90 plus sin 90. This is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi I upon A 1 plus 1. That is mu 0 upon 4 pi 2I upon A. This is the formula. When the conductor XY is of infinite length and point P lies near the center of the conductor. Second, when conductor XY is of infinite length and point P lies near one end of the कंडक्टर इनफाइनाइट लेंथ का पॉइंट P उसके एक एंड की तरफ होगा. देन theta 1 is equal to 90 degree and theta 2 is equal to 0 degree, or theta 1 is equal to 0 degree and theta 2 होगा 90 डिग्री. अगर पॉइंट P इनफाइनाइट कंडक्टर है, पॉइंट P उसके एक एंड पे है, एक एंगल 90 होगा, एक 0 डिग्री. देन व्हाट इज B? B is mu 0 upon 4 pi I upon A sin 90 degree plus sin 0. This is mu 0 upon 4 pi I upon A 1 plus 0, that is mu 0 upon 4 pi I upon a. From here it is clear that, ठीक है, if we take this as C center, this as end. From there here it is clear that magnetic field at the center of an infinite conductor is 2 times magnetic field near the end. The next point is, third point is, when point P lies on the conductor, when point P lies on the conductor, when point P lies on the conductor, then theta 1 is equal to 180 degree and theta 2 is equal to 180 degree. If we put these values, mu 0 upon 4 pi I upon a sin 0 plus sin 0 is equal to 0. That is, magnetic field at any point on a current carrying conductor is 0. On a straight current carrying conductor is 0. Now what is the direction of magnetic field? What is the direction of magnetic field? The direction of magnetic field is given by right hand thumb rule. In this case, current is like this in the upward direction. So magnetic field will be like this at the back and front पे ऐसे. So it is like this. It will be inward. It is point P. It will be inward, perpendicular to the plane of paper and inward. Perpendicular to plane of paper and inward. Next is magnetic field due to a solenoid carrying current. Magnetic field due to a solenoid carrying current. What is a solenoid? A solenoid consists of insulated long wire of copper or some other, closely bound in the form of a helix. Okay. So it is a long wire, closely bound in the form of a helix. Closely bound in the form of a helix. Let I be the current through the coil. If you look from this direction, this current is like this. And again, if you look from this direction, the current will be clockwise. ठीक है. Similarly here, ठीक है, if you will looking from this direction, इस direction देखोगे तो current will be anti-clockwise. So due to which this end of the coil becomes a south pole and this end becomes a north pole. ठीक है. The end in which current is clockwise, that becomes a south pole, and the end in which current is anti-clockwise, that becomes a north pole. Means this solenoid will behave as a magnet. So let I be the current flowing through the solenoid, and total number of turns in the solenoid. L is the length of solenoid. This is L is the length of the solenoid, and small n is number of turns per unit length, that is capital N upon L, number of turns per unit length. Now मैग्नेटिक फील्ड सेटअप इन द सॉलिनॉइड, तो इस सॉलिनॉइड के अंदर क्या होगी, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड सेटअप हो जाएगी. तो मैग्नेटिक फील्ड सेटअप इनसाइड द सॉलिनॉइड विल बी लाइक दिस. ठीक है. सिमिलरली ऑन दिस साइड, this is the magnetic field. It will be from north to south outside the solenoid and south to north inside the solenoid. The magnetic field inside the solenoid is uniform, strong and parallel to the axis of the solenoid.